Hi, this is Ty. In this video, I'll show you a quick and easy way to create this effect in Photoshop. Before we start, please download the materials used in this tutorial from the link in the description. First, place the image you want to apply the effect to on your canvas. Next, duplicate the image you just placed. On a Mac, press Command and J. On Windows, press Control and J. With the duplicated layer selected, go to the Filter menu, choose Blur, and then select Gaussian Blur. Adjust the blur radius until the image looks soft and glowing with gentle light spreading across it. Then change the blending mode of this layer to lighten. This brings out the brighter areas and creates a soft, glowing atmosphere. Now we will begin adding textures. Start by placing texture 1 onto the canvas. Change the blending mode of this texture to divide. Right now it may look confusing or unclear, but don't worry. Next, to bring back more detail, add a curves adjustment layer underneath the texture. Lift or lower the curves slightly to balance the contrast and brightness of the entire image. This will make the overall result look much more polished. Then add a gradient map. Choose any color combination you like to unify the overall look of your artwork. The free gradient used in this video is also linked in the description, so feel free to download it. Once the colors are set, add texture 2. Change its blending mode to lighten so only the bright areas blend on top. After that, press Command and L on Mac or Control and L on Windows to open levels. Adjust the sliders to control how strong the texture appears. Next, let's add the star effect. Place the star image on the canvas and position it underneath all the textures. Then change its blending mode to multiply. If you want the stars to appear softer, go to Filter, choose Blur, and apply Gaussian Blur. Adjust the blur amount until it matches the atmosphere you want. Finally, move the stars around and position them wherever you like to balance the composition. And with that, design is complete. How was it? Pretty easy, right? Subscribe for more creative tutorials. You'll find me on Instagram and TikTok, and my posters are available for purchase too. All the links are in the description. Thanks for watching. See you next week.